Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start page number 99, which is
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معك بتاع حاتم القرشي.
hello, which is about dry and hot countries.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I am عبد العزيز محمد الحارثي. بيش كم؟
Page 99.
99 teacher. 99 teacher.
Yes, page 99. There are 3 questions.
أستاذ
Yes.
الرسمة اللي طلبتها خلصتها.
Great, very good. Okay.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الرحمن حاتم الناصر.
Hello, Abdurrahman Hatim al-Nasiri.
Yes.
Yes.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.
عبد الرحمن السمالي.
Hello, Abdurrahman al-Somali.
ليش خلاص؟ السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الملك.
وعليكم السلام عبد الملك تامر. Yes.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم. معك فيصل خالد.
Hello, Faisal.
ليش لغيت محمد؟
Abdurrahman Somali بعدين. Okay, Abdurrahman Muhammad.
Page what?
Saud Nasir. Page is, now you can see, 99. Battal is there. Then we have
هذا شفت رسمتي اللي رسمتها.
ارسلني أنا أشوف بعدين. Okay, no problem. I will see. Okay. Then we have Abdul Tamir Abdul Aziz Al Maliki. Sorry, Abdul Aziz Al Harsi. Okay. Not this one. Ali is there now. Okay.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أستاذ ليش ما يا أستاذ ليش ما عاد نلعب اللعبة؟
Yeah, Abdurrahman, open your book, page 99 and wait. ما في لعبة. Safwan Ibrahim is there. Okay. Saeed Saif, are you there? Saeed Saif. Turki Abdullah, Turki Bandar. Okay, page 99, we have question. Turki Bandar and SC.
السلام عليكم أستاذ. أنا تركي بندر.
عليكم السلام تركي.
السلام عليكم. أنا صفوان إبراهيم القرشي.
Hello, sir.
أستاذ معاك
Okay.
وسيل عبد العزيز المالكي.
Hello, Asil. In what season does it rain in hot and dry countries? In what season does it rain in hot and dry season? The hot and dry season, in winter there is rain. In winter in the winter. Okay, yes, this is the answer. More bigger. Okay, then we have next question. Name two sources of water that we use for drink. We drink, number one, rainwater. Okay, we can drink rainwater. And number two, what about number two? Number two, we have groundwater. Groundwater. Rainwater and groundwater we use for drinking. Why can't we drink sea water straight from the sea؟ يعني لو انت روح بحر اشرب مويه على طول من بحر، ليش ما في؟ Because it contains يعني في موجود too much مرة زيادة salt. ايش معنى salt؟ What do you mean by salt? Milk, yes, okay. Because the water from sea that contains too much salt يعني فيه ملح مرة زيادة انت ما يشرب على طول من بحر. Okay, that is why.
أستاذ بكتب.
Yes, write it quickly please. Then we will move towards next page.
خلصت.
Okay, okay.
No finish. No finish. No
Okay,
finish.
okay, take your time, no problem. Yes.
عادي أروح أشرب موية.
أيوة
No.
حبيبي. Quickly.
أستاذ قل لي سطر واحد وخلص.
Okay, no problem.
Page come.
MashaAllah. Who is this? Page 99. Min kalam.
أستاذ
Yes.
بقي finish.
Okay, Aus. Faisal, what did you say?
بقي لي شوية وخلص.
Okay, Faisal, no problem. Take your time, please.
finish. My name is تركي بندر الحارثي.
أبشر يا حبيبي. Okay.
No finish أستاذ. Finished.
Okay, okay, finish it. No problem.
إبراهيم القرشي. Finish yet. Finish teacher.
أبشر. Okay.
No finish teacher.
Okay.
دهنا أنا فيصل خالد. خلصت أنا فيصل خالد.
Okay, Faisal. أي أحد باقي؟ كلام بس هو باقي بس.
No finish. No. No finish.
يلا يلا سرعة يا حبيبي. You are late. Okay, now we are moving towards next page. Halas, I will send you video if you didn't finish.
يا أستاذ قربت أخلص.
ما في مشكلة, I will send you video يا حبيبي.
السطر تحت.
معلش يا أخي. Okay, I'm sorry. You can take your time. When I will send you video, you can write. Okay, this is review. Now,
أستاذ يعني إحنا نكتبها.
yes, we are going to write. Name 2 ways that plants keep cool. This is the
يا
question.
أستاذ والله كان آخر سطر. بقيلي.
If
كده.
they, okay, now I will tell you answer. They will keep cool if, number 1, we make it smaller. Number 1, if they grow in shade, they will keep cool. And number 2, if they have narrow leaves. If they have narrow leaves or they grow in shade, they will keep cool. Okay, number 2. Name 2 ways that animals keep cool. Now animals keep cool if they find shade, number 1. If they find shade, now hassel zil, number 2. By if they have thick skin, that will protect them from sunlight. If they have thick skin or if they find shade, they will keep cool. I understand that how plants and animals keep cool in very hot countries. Plants keep cool by growing shades and if they have narrow leaves, and animals find shade and have thick skins. So that's why we know that take place. Plants, animals and their environment. Environment is everything around you, what you have around you. That is environment, that makes environment. Name 3 different environments that you can find in hot, dry countries. We can find in hot, dry countries sea. Okay, 3 things. So we will give them numbers. Number 1, sea. Number 2, wetlands. And number 3, we have deserts. These are 3 environments we find in hot, dry countries. Name 2 animals that live in desert. Okay. Animals that live in desert. Aywa, موجود في الصحراء. What are those animals? Number 1, camel. And number 2, who will tell me? Number 2, camel and?
Desert.
In desert, what you find? Camel and snake.
Snake.
Okay. Then we have question in growing countries. What is the biggest threat to the environment?
Sand.
Yes, sand is not an animal, yeah. They are asking about animals.
Sabbar.
Just finished. Okay, we have done. They asked 2, we wrote them. You have scorpion, you have gerbil and many things. Okay. In growing countries, we can find the problem of population increase and also pollution. عبد الرحمن الصومالي لا تفتح مايك. Don't open your mic.
أستاذ ماني فاتح مايك.
Okay, population increase and pollution. These are two problems, two threats to the environment in growing countries.
أستاذ صفحة كم؟
Page 100 يا أخي, where are you?
هنا.
Okay, now let me finish your attendance. عبد الغني فوزي موجود؟
أستاذ أنا عند السطر الأخير.
Okay, تركي. عبد الغني فوزي موجود. Then we have Azam Naif, Hussam Ibrahim.
Yes, عزام نايف موجود.
Okay, Azam.
موجود. كيف الحال؟
الحمد لله. Okay. حسام إبراهيم موجود؟ حسام إبراهيم. Okay, then حذيفة خالد.
Yes.
Okay. Saeed Saif. Now he came. Okay, that's good. Turki Abdullah Hussain.
سعيد موجود يا أستاذ.
Okay. Turki Abdullah Hussain. Saud Nasir.
أستاذ سعيد موجود.
Okay يا حذيفة. حذيفة خلاص أنا عارف يا حبيبي. Thank you. تركي عبد الله. في غايبين ثلاثة, عبد الغني,
دان
حسام إبراهيم and Turki Abdullah. Okay, Asil, thank you. There is first question. Name two ways, इतने तरीका that plants keep cool. Plants, okay, Abdurrahman. Plants keep cool. यानी नबातात इजी बारिद शोया फिलहाल. Grow in shade. If they grow in shade, and if they have narrow leaves, so that they will absorb less sunlight, so they will keep cool. Then we have name two ways that animals keep cool, yani hawanat keep cool.
Finish.
By finding shade or having thick skin. If they have thick skin, yani jild kabir.
يلبس كلمتين.
Yalla, Saban, take your time, no problem. If they find shade
I'm Faisal
and
Khalid.
have thick skin, khalas ya Faisal. Okay. Let me finish. Name three different environments. Environments yani jao, or what you have around you. Anyone or any animals or any living things have around them, that is called environment. That you find in hot, dry countries. In hot, dry countries, we find sea, yani bahar, wetlands and deserts. Then we have named two animals that live in desert. Any two only. If asked two, okay, two. Camel and snake. Then we have in growing countries, yani ay balad or balad we can say, if they are growing, yani hua iji kabir. What is the biggest threat? Ish mushkila hinak in environment. The problem is population increase, yani fi nas iji marra zyada baden, and pollution, yani lazim iji zabala bardu zyada. The pollution will be increased. Any problem in this page? Ay mushkila?
No.
من باقي وما خلصت؟
أنا.
يلا okay.
No أنا no finish.
Okay Azam, take your time. أنا كلام من ما في finish. Who didn't finish? Don't say أنا خلصت لا. أي أحد باقي بس هو كلام.
الشاشة سوداء يا أستاذ. ما خلصت.
أيوة خلاص اوكي يلا اكتب بسرعة يا سعود. انت خلصت؟ اوكي انتظار. Wait for your friends. انتظار.
يا أستاذ.
Yes سعود.
سوداء.
I didn't understand.
أستاذ أنا سعيد سيف.
Hello Said Saif. Okay. So Nasir, can you speak in English so that I can understand?
The picture is black.
The picture is black. How? Okay, let me make it again. Now,
Also black.
Ali, can you see? Huzaifa, Faisal, can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, سعود ناصر please check your mobile. شوف جوال ممكن في خربان ولا روح ويجي مرة ثانية ما في مشكلة. دخل مرة ثانية.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
أدخل مرة ثانية.
Okay, Huzaifa, thanks for your suggestions.
Finish.
عبد الرحمن الصومالي يقول لا ما في كلام finish. لو سمعت يا حبيبي. If you finish, okay, wait. Please wait. Okay, so here this was the unit about environment, hot and dry countries and their environments. Okay, Saud, Alain Kois. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask about this page. We will move towards next page.
أستاذ باقي.
Okay, I will send you video. ما في مشكلة. أنت شوف فيديو وخلص. Okay, عشان ما في وقت.
أستاذ أنا finish.
Okay. Next page, page 101. Page 101. I know that different environments have different kinds of plants and animals. Yes, if there is water, they have different environment. If there is water, if desert, there is different plants and animals. So they are different kinds of animals in different environments. I know that we need to care for our environment. يعني لو انت ارمي زبالة برا that's not good, you should take care. ارمي في البرميل, that is good, so that you can take care of your environment. Weather and water in hot countries. Weather يعني جو, water يعني موية. In hot countries بلد there are hot يعني حار. How often does the weather change in hot, dry countries? How often does the weather change in hot, dry countries? كيف يجي جو غير by the season? By the season. يعني ممكن في بارد جو يجي بارد. If there is winter, there is cold. If there is summer, there is hot, and then in the middle of both of them there is normal weather. So weather changes with the season. By the season there are changings. Okay, name the three sources of water to be found in hot, dry countries. Okay, what kind of waters we find? Sources of water. We have rainwater, moya haqq al-matar. Number 2, groundwater. Groundwater. And number 3, yes, anyone? Number 3, ايش مويه من فين يجي مويه? Number 3, yes, Faisal.
The sea.
Ya salam, sea water. Excellent. Yeah, Faisal, sea water, that is good. So we have 3. We are
No
asked.
finish.
Okay, take your time. Rainwater, groundwater and sea water, there are 3. Okay, now conclusion is, I know that in hot and dry countries the weather only changes from season to season. Yes, barid iji barid, har iji har, yani summer and winter. So it depends on seasons. I know 3 sources of water to be found in hot and dry countries. What are 3 sources of water? Rainwater, groundwater, and seawater. So this is also check.
Yes.
Okay, there are 3 absentees. I will call again. Abdul Ghani,
No finish.
Abdul Ghani, Hussam Ibrahim, Turki Abdullah, Turki Abdullah. Okay, Abdul Rahman.
Finish.
Batal, why you say finish? Don't say finish. Say nothing if you finished. Okay, so here we have 2 questions and 2 conclusions, 4 conclusions actually. I know that different environments have different kinds of plants and animals. Yes. I know that we need to take care
Finish.
of our
No
environment.
finish.
Yes.
Finish.
Don't say finish. Khalas, wait. How often does weather change in hot and dry countries? By the season. Jo ghayr, by the season. Name 3 sources of water found in hot and dry countries. Number 1, rainwater. Number 2, groundwater. Number 3, sea water. I know that hot and dry countries have weather only changes from season to season. Yes. I know 3 sources of water to be found in hot and dry countries. Yes. This is it in unit number 5. Okay. Okay, Abdurrahman and Nasri, take your time. Finish it, no problem.
يلا خلاص finish. Yes.
This was unit.
Finish.
This was unit number 6 actually for you.
Finish.
Unit number 6 we have done.
Finish عبد الرحمن السماري.
Okay.
Finish.
Don't
Finish,
say
teacher.
finish يا أخي. أي أحد باقي بس هو كلام.
Finish teacher.
أي أحد باقي بس هو كلام. If you didn't finish.
Still.
Okay, Abdulaziz Maliki, finish it. Azam Al Harsi, okay.
Finish.
Do it quickly so that. Okay, so 3 absentees. Let me write their name to send Mr. Adil. Okay. Grade 2. Abdul Ghani, if you are there, let me know. So I am writing your name. Then we have Hussam Ibrahim and Turki Abdullah. Okay, boys. Thank you. See you next time. I will send you the link of the video. Okay, you can see this.
خلينا نلعب قليل.
I will send you Abdul Rahman. No problem. Okay, I will send you video links. You can.
Goodbye. بس اليوم عشان
Thanks for joining. Goodbye.
Goodbye. خلينا نلعب